take no longer than 5 minutes, and at the end of this you should understand market structure much better. So majority of people, market structure must consist of more than one candle. This is how I define it. So one candle in opposite direction such as that does not define market structure. I must have at least 2 candles to form a swing point or a structure point. So many people right now will think that this here is a lower low and this is a lower high. This is not a lower high because you are still in this swing. Anything that happens between this point and this point does not matter. If you break above it, then you will form a higher high, then a higher low. If you break below it, you will then form a lower high, and then that will then be your lower low. You cannot form a lower low without a lower high, and you cannot form a higher high without a higher low. So with that being said, this is the proper definition of market structures, that you got to have at least 2 candles side by side to form it, or at least a proper identification point. So that basically means that if I had to draw a straight line, when I get a change in direction, that is considered market structure. I go, that there is not a market structure point. Yes, we continue going down, but my direction does not change. We get here, the candle starts turning up, and then we continue pushing down. As you can see with this here is clearly defining market structure. It does not look the cleanest, but this is it. There's your lower high, there's your lower low, there's your lower high, there's your lower low, right? Or lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, however you want to phrase it. So with that being said, that is how you identify proper market structure. I will come out with a much more in-depth video. This is just obviously part of the quick series. What is valid versus what is invalid structure? Like we said, anything that happens between point A and point B, or between 2 single points, is invalid. So this here, this is not a lower high and this is not a lower low. Many will say, yes, this is a higher low. It can't be a higher low, because where is your higher high? This high is not higher than that high, and this low, this higher low, can only be formed if there was a higher high. So with that being said, this is still